Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into PeoPay on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the PeoPay app, unlock your iPhone and tap on the PeoPay app icon. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Login screen appears. When the app opens, you will see the login screen. PeoPay allows you to log in using Face ID, Touch ID or your mobile PIN depending on your settings. Step 3. Log in with Face ID or Touch ID. If biometric login is enabled, simply look at your phone or place your finger on the sensor. The app will securely verify your identity. Step 4. Login with PIN code. If biometrics are not enabled, enter your PeoPay PIN code on the screen. Make sure no one else can see your PIN while typing. Step 5. Successfully log in. After logging in successfully, you will be taken to the home screen where you can see your account balance, cards, payments, and recent transactions. Step 6. Security tip and help. For your security, never share your PIN or phone with anyone. If you can't log in, tap forward PIN or contact PeoPay customer support directly through the app. And that's how you can log in into PeoPay app on your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.